Huh, that's nice, liberal. Looks like they gave you the easy shift, not me. They gave me a 36-hour shift at the ball crushing factory, where they crush my balls. That's right. Every day I slap these puppies up there on the hydraulic press and have more than 6 trillion newtons of force exerted directly onto my balls. I'm hoping to go for a new company record. 6.1 newtons exerted directly onto my balls. I'm hoping to win the company gift card, $25 at Macy's, so my girlfriend can get a nice pair of headphones and not hear me whine about my crushed balls that I got from the ball crushing factory. I don't even know what's down there anymore. I'm too afraid to look.